until newer destinations are added, and we have in mind 9 new destinations that we hope to get funded through multilateral agency funding, which we hope will ease some of the pressure on Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Sonmarg in the valley. We've all seen recent footage on social media of the lines of people waiting to use the gondola in Gulmarg. Now clearly the numbers that we have are numbers that if they grow, we will not be able to sustain. So as a policy, my government is going to work with bodies like yours and others to see how we can move Jammu and Kashmir up the value chain in terms of tourism that is not so much volume based as it is value based.
I wholeheartedly thank all the dignitaries and friends, especially the Honorable Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Janab Umar Abdullah Sahab, for graciously presenting the vision for J&K in context to Viksit Bharat 2047 vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. It is an established reality that Umar Sahab's vision and global outlook can steer J&K towards Viksit J&K. I firmly believe that Honorable Chief Minister is very keen in developing and establishing tourism in Jammu and Kashmir as the biggest and long-lasting industry. I like to thank Janab Nasir Aslam Wani Sahab, Honorable Advisor, Honorable Chief Minister, who has served Jammu and Kashmir as Minister of Tourism. Nasir Sahab is not the new tourism in J&K and has been at the helm of the tourism department. I like to thank Janab Subhash Goyal Sahab, who, as all of you know, has been a tourism luminary and one of the biggest assets as far as tourism industry in India is concerned. I thank all the dignitaries, the Secretary Division, Government of India, Wilkham Sahab, Mr. Rohani, and all the presidents of the tourism associations. Seeing this August gathering here, I can make out that everyone here is equipped with huge experience and expertise, which in real sense makes them national assets. Coming to Jammu and Kashmir, all of you know that it is an established fact that Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of incredible India. This crown now needs more gems added to it, which include increased and efficient connectivity and infrastructure. I firmly believe that we have a potent product but have not been able to sell it at a scale it should have been. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel proud representing Jammu and Kashmir in general and Gulmarg in particular, as I happen to be a resident and a current MLA of Gulmarg. Gulmarg needs no introduction, as the Honorable Prime Minister himself said that it is the winter capital of India. As far as tourism industry in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, we are going in the right direction, but we still have a long way to go. And I request all of you to keep us in promoting and be there and be the ambassadors of Jammu and Kashmir under the dynamic leadership of our beloved Chief Minister Janab Umar Abdullah Sahab. With this takeaway, we again appreciate and thank our young, visionary Chief Minister and other valued guests for being present on this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you.